Second parts of speech is adjective. An adjective is a word which qualifies a noun or pronoun. For example, Shamu is a clever man. Here clever is an adjective and man is a noun. The word clever qualifies the word man. Adjectives can be comparative degrees. Positive, comparative, superlative. Strong, stronger, strongest. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Bad, worst, worst. Types of adjectives. Adjective of quality first. Good, bad, tall, short, beautiful, ugly, etc. For example, Sita is a beautiful girl. Here the word beautiful qualifies the word girl. Second, adjective of quantity. We can consider adjective of quantity in two ways. Those are definite and indefinite. Definite adjective has two branches, ordinal and cardinal. Ordinal first, second, third, etc. Cardinal 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Then indefinite. All, whole, some, any, many, much, few, etc. For example, I have a few coins. A few is an adjective and coin is a noun. Then proper adjective. Proper adjective is derived from proper noun. India, Indian. China, Chinese. Pakistan, Pakistani. The word American derived from America, like this. Then possessive adjectives. Mine, our, your, his, her, its, their. These seven words are the possessive adjectives. For example, this is my pencil. The word my shows the possession over pencil. Fifth, distributive adjective. Each, every, either, neither, etc. For example, each boy has a notebook. Then demonstrative adjective. This, that, these, those, such, the same, certain, another, etc. For example, give me those books. Here the word those is an adjective. 7. Interrogative adjective. Which, what, whose. These three interrogative words are known as interrogative adjectives. For example, whose pen has lost. Then pronoun. It is a substitute word of noun. Type of pronoun. First, personal pronoun. It has three cases. Person, first person. Subjective case, I, we. Objective case, me, us. Possessive case, mine, mine, our, ours. Second person, subjective case, you. Objective case, you. Possessive case, your or yours. Third person, he, she, they, it. Objective case, him, her, them, it. Possessive case, his, her, hers, their, theirs. Then this point is very important for competitive exams points of view. The sequence of two or more pronouns in a sentence. We often find it. In positive sense, the sequence of pronouns remains second, third, first person. For example, you, he, and I are friends. In negative sense, the persons remains first, second, and third. For example, I, you, and he made a mistake. But the plural pronouns remain same. We, you, and they in both positive and negative. Next, distributive pronoun. Each, either, neither, anyone, none, everyone. These are belongs to distributive pronoun. For example, each of the two boys is good. Demonstrative pronoun. This, that, these, those, such. The climate of Pune is better than that of Jaipur. Indefinite pronoun. One, someone, no one, everyone, something, etc. For example, somebody's pen is there on the table. Interrogative pronoun. Who, whose, whom, which, what. These five words belongs to interrogative pronoun. Who is your best friend? For example. Relative pronoun. Who, whose, whom, which, what, and that. These six words are relative pronoun. The boy who is standing there is my friend. Reciprocal pronoun. Each other, one another. Amit and Ravi help each other. Then reflexive pronoun. Myself, ourself, himself, etc. I hurt myself.